How is everybody doing today? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rockstarjoehang, but you can call me Rockstar for short. Just so there's some transparency, I hope you guys know that I'm like no bodybuilder. I just come to the gym because I love taking care of my health, and I love how I look because of the gym. People are definitely in a good mood today. Might be a Thanksgiving holiday over yesterday. I'm gonna set up my machine so I can stretch off my hamstrings. I'm gonna do some calf rises. How many of you guys do calf rises? We do everything else, right? We do our arms. You know, us guys love our arms. We love our biceps. But just as important are these calf rises. They're just like old machine they got right here in 24. Oh, I gotta do at least 15 minutes of these. Gotta get them calves looking good, you know what I mean? To catch you guys up to speed, I've been doing a lot of these vlogging videos just to keep my mind in creative mode while I wait to go on vacation. Not vacation, but just, you know, little something on January 15. I'm about to go see 5 countries, and not that you care, but just in case you do, this is the calf machine that I use. It's an old school calf machine. I have it at 195 pounds, so that's about 40 pounds more than my weight. I'm sure I can do more, but I like doing reps. I think reps is better when it comes to definition. So if you have one of these in your gym, give it a try. I've been going to the gym now for 12 plus years consistently, and I learned so much during those times, you know? I remember going to the gym and just really not knowing what I'm doing. Worst of all, I used to eat pizza, hot dogs, and a Red Bull. And I thought I was gonna get the body I want because I'm going to the gym. And when I came in here today to the gym, I noticed people were just more happy, you know, everyone was just more conversing, and it's just needed. I need a break. That was cool to see. It's gonna be exciting. Get to create some travel films. Definitely gonna be more transparent with the details that go behind the scenes, like how much things cost, how much I spend with food, and gym. Gym is important to me, so the places I like to stay at, I want to make sure it has a gym. I spend these 10 to 15 minutes per machine, and this machine is always available. This one, the abs, what else? All the machines that people don't like working out is always available, which is super crazy. The regulars that are here because they don't stop. They know what's up. I want to know about you guys. How was your Thanksgiving? Mine was chill. I didn't eat my face off, but I ate a little something. So I trained my mind to do the things that I don't like first, because chest, arms, biceps, triceps, back, you know, that comes automatic. But what I started to notice was I didn't give my body the nutrients it needs to grow, to get that physique I want. But you learn what works, what doesn't, and that's the most important thing. And I think a lot of us don't get the body we want, and it's because we don't want to change. Then I noticed my body started feeling really bad, really fast because of all the whatever chemicals in the turkey, the GMOs. So I quickly had to drink my aminos and my alkaline water. But those machines are always busy. Someone's always trying to use the machine, so I take my time. I work on all these other machines, and then by the time I'm done with these, all those other machines starts to free up. Fitness is a journey, and every day you're here, you're getting closer and closer to your goal. We don't want to change our lifestyle. And I remember just eating crap, drinking soda every day. I didn't even take aminos. I didn't even take vitamin supplements. I didn't even drink good water. And then after, I would go out partying and then drinking alcohol. And then the next day, just getting punished by it. And I noticed like right away, what a big change. And just the food, man. The food here in America is crazy. It just destroys you. And we like to believe that food is food, but it's really not. If you educate yourself, you will know what I'm talking about. Definitely know what I'm talking about. Let me get done with my stretching, and then we'll find like a good topic to talk about today. You shouldn't wait until January 1st to do something with your health. Start now. Start now, that's what I say. Not a good way to go. And now, I'm just so focused. I changed everything. I put my health first. And I'm so glad I went that route, because I can see it now amongst my peers, my friends, my family. I can see how life affects you, the stress, the work, your mind, your mental health. It just does a lot. Because if you don't start now, I mean, what difference does it make if you start on January 1st? You gotta train your mind to be consistent. You gotta train your mind to put in the work. I don't know, can you see this? I'm using the Sony ZV-E1 app, and it's cool because it reminds me so much about the red Komodo, where I can see the framing and I can trigger the camera through here. If you guys haven't used it, use it. I highly recommend that feature. So freaking cool. All right, rock stars, I gotta end this vlog because my battery's running out, and I'm gonna finish the rest of my workout little by little. Show up, do things every day, little by little, and you will get there. Hope you guys do. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and happy Thanksgiving, belated Thanksgiving, and take care, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. All right, bye.